Welcome everybody to LawNewz.com. Thanks so much for joining us. We're here with Editor-at-Large Beth Karras, and she's going to talk about some of the Freddie Gray case. Very interesting case. Jury selections on Monday. What's going on with the case that's coming up on Monday?
Well, the case is of defendant number 2, Caesar Goodson. He was the driver of the van that was transporting Freddie Gray when Freddie Gray sustained a fatal spinal cord injury last April. He's the only one charged with murder of the 6 officers because he was in control of where that van went. And the theory is that he knew that Freddie Gray needed medical attention and chose to keep on going and not get him the attention.
So this case is going to be very key. There was also another interesting hearing this week involving one of the officers who has also been charged, but it was involving whether he is going to testify against the other officers. Why is that so critical for the prosecution?
This officer is William Porter, who was already tried late last year, and the jury deadlocked on whether he was guilty, and he's going to be retried in June. Well, he has a Fifth Amendment right not to be compelled to testify. But the state says, we need him. We need his testimony that he communicated to Goodson and Lieutenant White the next trial. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to give him immunity, limited immunity. It's called use or derivative immunity, so that he has to testify, and anything he says we can't use against him at his trial in June.
So this could potentially jeopardize the prosecution's case against Officer Porter.
Yes, it could. And the judge did say to the prosecutors, I put you on notice that this could very well complicate your case against him coming up later in the year. They're going to have to demonstrate that all their evidence none of it comes from anything he testified to on the stand. So it could get a little sticky for them.
Very interesting cases to watch, something we're going to be very closely monitoring on LawNewz.com. Thanks for joining us.